Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really love that. If you're returning, how are you today? I wanted to show you my Walmart and Sam's Club haul. It was actually just delivered. I had found some really great deals. No, baby. No. Hi. No. Okay. I didn't realize that the powdered milk was so much cheaper at Sam's Club than it is at Walmart, and you get more bang for your buck. This is, out of focus, 4 pounds, okay, and it was $14. Now, hang on a minute. Now, this bag that I had bought, it's opened, obviously, because I use it, is a Walmart brand. Same amount, 4 pounds, but it was $19. It was 18 and change, so just to say $19, okay? And then I got more dry beans. My mom always buys this, and she'll put a ham hock in it, and potatoes and stuff like that. So I got 4 bags of these, 3 more bags of the Great Northern, 3 more bags of the navy beans. I'm going to need another 5-gallon bucket, which means I will now have 4 5-gallon buckets full of dry beans. But hey, I'm not complaining. Patches, what are you doing? Get those evil eyes. Anyway. And I got more pasta, angel hair, penne, and elbow. And then, found this on Walmart.com. I didn't even know this existed. Hello, Patches. She always has to be in everything. What are you doing? What are you doing, pretty girl? What are you doing? This is real butter powder. Now, most likely I will be doing like a taste testing video on this. Don't know anything about it, but I will put a link in the description box below on where to find it. Yes, Walmart. Okay, it was $14.99, and you get, it's 1 pound in each container. Okay. The containers are a little small, but, 1 pound in each. Not quite sure. Okay, 75 servings per container. And 1 tablespoon is a serving, 45 calories per serving. Let's see if they give you directions. Okay, year expiration date. But we all know how expiration dates actually work. To make butter, mix 1 part water, 1 part powder. Okay, so that should be easy enough. So if I just wanted to do a small taste test, do like a teaspoon or whatever, half a teaspoon, I will most likely be doing that for you, just so like do before you buy it, you know what I mean? So I wanted to let you know on my great find with that, and what my Sam's Club and Walmart haul looks like that got delivered today. So very excited. Yay me. All right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay positive, stay warm, stay safe. Keep prepping. Bye.